I tweak my right peg and this is what I learned. I am a homo sapien that is kinda stuck in left AIC right BC pattern. PRI nerds, before you start yapping about this in my comment section below, hold on because I got some stuff to say. So these are the few changes that I implemented in my rusted gym routine. First, stop over retracting your scapula. Let them move freely and respect your scapulohumeral rhythm. Second, take a deload and say goodbye to bilateral chest presses and flies just for a while, homie. Third, unilateral pressing movements. Unilateral fly movements are your new best friend. Kind of friends with benefits, but the benefit is that your female bestie is sitting on your goddamn face and licking all over you. So the two exercises I added are unilateral incline dumbbell press and unilateral incline dumbbell fly. Here's the goddamn footage for unilateral incline dumbbell press. I don't have the footage for the other exercise because my rusty, dusty, filthy, old ass, useless gym stairs kind of makes me shy. Folks, I'm just kidding, okay? I just ran out of space in my goddamn phone, just like I ran out of condoms while pounding my ex-girlfriend in the National College ground. No cap. Add-ons to my routine in the near future includes the pec minor dip. The right pec minor is notoriously sore and tight in the right BC, folks. So pec minor dips is a good add-on to address the ignored pec minor, just like I ignored her frickin' calls while she was overdosing on ketamine. Train smart, get jacked, and stop following dial pencil necks like Kashish Gupta who do not jerk off because they have erectile dysfunction. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन